Welcome to the future, Intrusion and Video Refocused, delivering security, video, life safety and automation in one intelligent solution, the AX Pro. Providing a comprehensive security system, securing what matters most for complete peace of mind and minimal disruption. With multiple communication paths on board and protocols for third-party integration, it's the flexible solution for homes, shops and offices. New and specially developed Tri-X technology delivers powerful and super-fast long-range wireless transmission with highly encrypted and secure radio protocols, preventing any attempts to disrupt or jam the signal, keeping you secure, connected and in control at all times. Supporting over-the-air updates, the AX Pro also enhances the level of service you receive, allowing your installer to remotely update, maintain, and even add devices to your system. It's your system, your way. From the Hike Connect app to key fobs and tags, you get to control what you want and how you want it. With Hike Connect, you're in control wherever you are. Monitor your system, arm, disarm, control automation, check sensor status, and be alerted to system activity. It's even compatible with professional monitoring for 24/7 protection. While revolutionary video verification technology shows you exactly what's happening so that appropriate action can be taken. The wireless PIR camera detector maintains your privacy, only becoming active when the system's armed, delivering a series of snapshots of any activation to show you exactly what's happening as it develops. Using CAMX, an independent wireless protocol for wireless PIR camera detectors, alongside Tri-X, allows super-fast simultaneous transmission of video and alarm messages without any interference across channels. With onboard video buffer for up to 4 camera streams, the AX Pro delivers unprecedented options, using the entire range of Hikvision cameras, as well as the indoor wireless PIR camera detector, recording activity and providing this to you and an ARC if desired. AX Pro can be installed in houses, shops and other commercial environments. The use of repeaters makes the system flexible and able to cover larger areas. Multi-site management is now a reality, be it residential or commercial environments. Each system can be added to Hike Connect, viewing and controlling all your systems in one place. Security, video and automation all in one ultra-modern system. Delivering the security of the future today. Hikvision Security, Intrusion and Video